This morning, you were interviewed in ABS-CBN. And you were saying that these politicos, and in fact, you were referring to congressmen, that you cannot reform the Bureau of Customs because people who were recommended by the politicos, including the congressmen, are impediments in the reform that you want to introduce in the Bureau of Customs. Frankly, being a member of this House, I am alluded by your statement because it was couched in general terms. But in any event, in fairness to the members of the House and in fairness to the other politicos you were referring to, could you be more specific as to who are these congressmen who have recommended in the Bureau of people in the Bureau of Customs and are now impediments in the reform that you want to introduce, so that all those who have not recommended anyone could be spared from your general statement?
I would like to refer that to the committee if you want me to reveal the names here, but in the interest of unity of government employees, I do not want to put in humiliation the names of those I referred as trying to influence the result of the board promotions, because if I will allow that practice, that the members of the board, promotion board, I will dictate to them that please pass this person, every reform agendas in the Bureau will put to nothing. That is what I was saying. It is the specific action that I was referring to. And I do not want to put the name of this person. I was not saying that the entire, there are very few. I was not saying that the entire Congress. I did not call Congress. There were some congressmen who tried to influence me. But I will not tell their name in the interest of unity of all government agencies, Your Honor.
But your general statement, Commissioner Feldon, quotes in general, you have alluded to all members of the House. It's very unfair to everybody.
I did not, Your Honor.
You did
alluded
not?
to the all members of the House. I did not.
You did not say all members of the House, but without naming the few that you said, it could refer even to the most innocent member of the House. Why can't you not do justice to these people who are not supposed to be alluded by your statement?
I would like to categorically apologize to those who have done nothing with the Bureau. That is my responsibility. My apology to everyone. I'm categorically saying that there are few, not all, who have tried to influence the promotion board.
Those few,
so I would like to apologize to those who have not done anything. So I would like to say...
Congressman Sarmiento is a suspect. Congressman Miro is a suspect. Congressman Nograles is a suspect without naming the few. Why can't you not now name this few that contaminates everybody in this House?
Let me put it this way, Your Honor. Less than 10 have done.
You should state the name.
Mr. Chair.
I would like to talk to this honorable member of the House first before I will divulge their name. Your Honor.